Hello everyone, I'm SNFLBE, a digital artist, and today I will teach you more about the drawing app Huashi Jie Pro according to what some of you asked and some other additional tutorials. In this video, I will teach you how to open references and color windows, how to automatically fix your shapes and lines, how to open an account, how to save layers separately, and how to find your needed layer without looking for it among all the other layers. In this video, let's learn how to use Huashi Jie Pro together without learning Mandarin. First is where to get the reference window. Very easy. You just click on the 4 squares and choose the mountain reflection tool. You can in fact choose multiple references and will all gather together in the window. You can also change its size from the lower left edge and change its place from the top. Same thing for the colors tool. Click on the colors circle and move it from the top however you want. Now we move on to how we fix the geometric shapes without raising our finger pen from the screen. I gave a tutorial before on how to use it, but a lot of you complained that it didn't work. That's due to not being turned on your devices. To turn it on, go to the settings, choose the third choice and the fifth one, then turn on what I did. Try it by drawing your shape. Don't raise your finger or your pen from the screen. Keep it there until the points that fix the shape appear. Using those points, you can fix your shape however you want. Now we move on how to open an account on Huashi Jie Pro. It's in fact hard because you need an account on WeChat, which is a Chinese sharing app, and you have to find Chinese friends to help you confirm that you are trusted in order to open an account there. To get some Chinese friends, you can find some on Red Note, which is a Chinese app that has a lot of Chinese there, and they are nice. You can get to know other people from other countries, which is great. My commissions are open on vegan. I will appreciate it so much if you take a look at my page over there, see if you like any of the services I'm offering. Back to our topic. In order to save a layer separately from other layers, you have to blind all the other layers. Keep the layer you want to save, because this is the only way I know on this app to do it. You also have to blind the white layer on the bottom that's always there in order to save the layer with no background. Then save it as PNG. Another thing about layers, especially when you have a lot of layers and you don't know where to find that thing and you don't want to look for it on all those layers, go to settings, choose the third one, and then the fourth one, and then turn on the last option like I did. That way, when you click twice on the thing you want to look for in the layers included on the spot you clicked on will appear immediately. That way, you don't have to look on all those layers. Just click twice and there you go.